Hello, good evening on a beautiful sunny evening. Now I'm cooking a lovely meal this evening. Not that I don't cook lovely meals, but this is the sort of meal that I really like. I've always liked it from childhood, and I'm cooking it for myself and my two sons. Now I'm cooking a lovely boneless chicken joint and with Paxo stuffing. And now I'll open this first, let the heat clear, and then I'll just doing the cabbage in here, which is normal cabbage there. It's not the Savoy one. Nice cabbage there, lovely. And in here I've got in my stuffing balls, sage and onion stuffing balls, and the joint there. It's a handy little thing if you don't want to do the big chicken or turkey, because I'm inclined to do that at Christmas. This is just a quick meal that tastes nice as well. I normally do roast potatoes, but haven't got any in it at the moment, so I'm just doing some nice chips. I could do with a turn. So that'll be a nice meal, you know, just something a bit more exciting. It doesn't take long really. It's taken, I defrosted the joint, so you know it's been an hour and 10 minutes. I've got 8 minutes to go there on my timer, so it'll be a lovely, nice meal really. I do like cooking. Find it very nice and good. And the best part is eating. Time's nearly up now, so I'll just check. Oh yes, they're definitely done. Look, all crisping on the outside. Oh, lovely, lovely. Now, I'll just check. There's plenty of basting, but I'll just check. The juice is really clear. Let me try over here. Let's see. Yeah, they're clear. Juices are clear. That's all right, and that's done. I think that's done now. So what I could actually do is take it out. I think it'll be done. It will. I'll give it another few minutes. Always do that. Now they're done. They're lovely, aren't they? Really nice. I'll give it just another few minutes. Yes. I'll turn the oven off though, because it's definitely cooked. Make the gravy now. So what I've done is I've got a little bit of the juice from the chicken breast joint, which will go in here, and that will make my gravy taste nice. So what I'll do is now put 1, 2 in.
And what is this one we're using, so people know?
Bisto gravy granules. Really like it. Just say on it the nation's favourite.
Sponsor my mum.
Yeah. Now that's the nation's favourite in the United Kingdom, including Ireland, Scotland, Wales and England. We don't want to leave anybody out, you see. Now, hot water going in. I've just put that much in for the moment, because it's always the worry when you do this. You feel it thickening up now that you've put too much in and your gravy's watery. And that's the problem which can happen, but that's looking nice. There is the odd lump in it. I think there's one slight piece of chicken that might have gone in when I was draining in the juice, but that's looking quite good. That's looking nice. Beautiful. Beautiful aroma. That's lovely. Now that can stand. That can stand, and that will thicken up in the heat. Now while that's doing, I will carve the beautiful joint there. And then all I've got to do then, the very last, so it doesn't go cold, is drain the beautiful cabbage. And don't forget in here, we won't forget, but the last to get out the stuffing balls and the chips. Oh, it would only be half a meal. Here we go. Carving beautifully. If I wanted to leave it a little bit longer, after 10 minutes it wouldn't fall apart as much, but you know, I haven't eaten much today, so I want to, so that bit's come quite nice. You're supposed to leave it technically 10 minutes, aren't you, to cool for easier carving, but it's fine, we don't bother about that. So I can't wait to eat it, you see. You can see the steam coming off in lovely. Beautiful, isn't it? That's really nice. It does a lot, you see, this one.
I just want to say thank you very much, Mom. And it
That's all right.
tastes absolutely amazing. The chicken is tender and succulent, and the cabbage is perfectly cooked, and the chips are perfectly cooked, which isn't easy. What are your thoughts on the meal?
Well, I tell you what, chicken, absolutely lovely. Beautiful, beautiful stuffing. Gravy. I'm having more, absolutely delicious. And beautiful, healthy cabbage. And the chips are lovely. Nice to have it with chips for a change, because the usual thing to do is have roast potatoes. But these are lovely, lovely chips that you'd like to have with a steak. Big, chunky chips. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my video. And if you did like it, give it a thumbs up, and also write a comment. I'd like to know. Share any tips you've got of cooking and any tips or what meals you like your favourites. Anyway, interact with me and write a comment, and I hope you look forward to seeing my future videos. And once again, thank you very much indeed. Now I'm going to enjoy.